The next portion of data handling is making of bar graph. You must have done bar graph earlier. Construction of bar graph and using them. You have to use the bar graph, and in some questions you will have to make them. So all of you are familiar with a bar graph. This is a bar graph. In a bar graph, what do we do? Why is it called a bar graph? Because in a bar graph there are bars shown. Bars mean there are rectangles. So in a bar graph we write some numbers horizontally and we write some numbers vertically. So the way it is given in your book, in that way we make vertical line and we make a horizontal line. After we have made the lines, now we write on the horizontal line. In this question they have written colors red, green, blue, orange, and on the vertical line they have written the number of students. So from the bar graph, that is the rectangle, it is clear that the height of this red rectangle reaches 45 roughly. It is the point, because we can see 40 is where, so 40 or 45 number, whatever number is given, accordingly we write. Then the second part is green. Green is reaching between 10 and 20, so it is roughly a number which is given. So in all the rectangles we note down and then we have to give name. In this case we take a scale. Scale is writing of the number in the form of that what type of division you have taken. So this bar graph is drawn on a graph paper. In a graph paper you all must have seen a bar graph is drawn on a graph paper, and in a graph paper there are green or red boxes. Each box is of 1 centimeter. So in the box we have to make the bar graph. Now in this question it has been asked blue. From the bar graph we can find out that blue is the most preferred color. Blue color is liked mostly. Why is blue liked mostly? Blue is liked mostly because you can see the height of blue is maximum. The height of the blue rectangle is maximum, so blue color is preferred more. And which color is preferred the least? The height of green. Green is preferred least because the height of the rectangle is less. So you have to give information based on this. There are 5 colors: red, green, blue, yellow, orange. So this is called reading of the bar graph. Now to make a bar graph, if we see the example, in this example they have made a bar graph. So we write, again we make a horizontal line. We'll draw a horizontal line, and on the horizontal line in this question the students are written, and on the vertical side we write marks. The students' names are written. So the first rectangle shows name Ajay. Ajay has scored marks. According to this graph he has scored 400. You can see he has scored marks between 400 and 500. If you measure it, it is coming roughly 450. 450 marks he has scored. From the graph we can make out. Then Bali has scored around 500, roughly exactly it is 500 marks he has scored. In this way there are different names of children written, and you have to tell what are the marks scored by the children. So this is how we read the bar graph, just the information and then we read it. Now some bar graphs are single, whereas some bar graphs are double. You can see this is a double bar graph because there are two rectangles in each. These are months shown. In January there are two rectangles shown, so this is a double bar graph. You are comparing two things at a time. So they have shown in a box and then written two informations together in one graph, so you don't have to make separate. So this is called a double bar graph. And when you make a double bar graph, two things will be given together and then you put them in the graph. When you put them in the graph, it will give you two informations together. Now coming to the exercise, if we see, it is written use the bar graph 3.3 to answer the following question. There is a bar graph shown in the question. The bar graph shows what information? It shows pets owned by students of class 7. Now class 7 children are having which type of pets? The name of pets are shown: dog, cat, rabbit. Okay, these are the name of the animals, and on the vertical side they have written number of students. So you have to read the bar graph and read the information, and then the graph has been shown here. Now which is the most popular pet? The most popular pet is whose number is maximum. So we can see that the cats are most popular because the number of children who are having cat are 10. The number of children who are using dogs are 8. Rabbits, 2 children are having. Then hamsters, 4 and 6, between 4, so the number is 5 children are having. Other pets are 3. So which animal is most popular? We can see it is cat. And how many children have dog as a pet? So we can tell how many children have dog as a pet. Can you tell the number of dogs? So you will give the information that how many children are having dog. Which pet is least common? It is rabbit. How many children are described totally? So we add the numbers. So 8 plus 10 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3, that will give you the total. So this is how we read the bar graph. In figure 3.4, it shows years and numbers are written, number of books and year. So from the question, it is written read the bar graph and answer the question. How many books were sold in 1989? So we can see in 1989 the rectangle is reaching between 200 and 100. So the number you have to write, it is not 100, it is not 120, it is reaching more than, if you may see this on a proper